Hello friends, welcome to Waves Learning Center. In these set of videos, we will be focusing specifically on Java training. We have started a Java book reading group on Facebook with the objective to reading and programming for minimum 30 minutes every day. This is to ensure detailed learning and deep understanding. To join the group, you can visit the link given on the screen. In this video, we'll be learning about the bitwise operators in Java. The bitwise operators act upon the individual bits of the operands. When you want to work in the binary language or the machine language, that is zeros and ones, we use the bitwise operators. Let's look at the bitwise operators in Java. In case of most of the operators, only the single symbols are used. We will be focusing more on the right shift and left shift operators, as these tend to be the most difficult ones to understand. Let's look at the bitwise OR operator in Java. If you look at this operation, what the OR operator does is, it works on 42 and 15 on a binary level and gives the result as the same. Let's try out an example. As you can see, we have created a new Java project and given the class name bitlogic. As usual, the first thing that we do is add the comment. We create an array called binary of strings that will help us convert into the final decimal value. We create an integer named a and give it the value 3. We create one more integer b and give it the value 6. In integer c, we will be storing the result of the OR operation of a and b. Integer d will store the result of a and b, the AND operation. Integer e will store the result of XOR operation. Integer f will further demonstrate how we can use multiple operators in a single expression. Integer g stores the NOT of a as well as the result of AND with an hexadecimal number. Next, we print the integers that we have created one by one. Let's try and save this code using Ctrl S. Let's run our code using F6. Here's the result. That's it for this program. Try it out and post the screenshot in the comments of this video. Now let's learn about the left shift operator in Java. The left shift operator shifts all of the bits in a value to the left a specified number of times. Let's learn more about it in detail. Let's see the general form or syntax for the left shift operator. It's value, the left shift operator, and num. In this case, num specifies the number of positions to left shift the value in a given variable. We'll understand this better with an example. Let's try it out. We have created a program to demonstrate the use of the left shift byte operator. As usual, we'll begin our program with comment. We have created two byte variables a and b and given it value 64. We create an integer I, and this is where we use the left shift operation. In b, we store the result of left shift of a by 2 positions. Let's print out the value of a and b. Let's save our program using Ctrl S. Let's run the program using F6. There's the output. The original value of a was 64. After left shift, I prints the value as 256. When you convert 256 into a byte value, you get the value 0. Now that we have tried out an example, let's move further. We tried out how the left shift operator works in Java. The task for you is to read about the right shift operator, code it, and post the screenshot of your code in the comment of this video. Thank you for watching this video. We recommend that you read the topic from the textbook and practice the code. We also recommend that you post the screenshots of your code in the comment section of this video or on our Facebook reading group. Thank you.